Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog, and we have just released something new, which is a universal search API. So, instead of juggling between multiple APIs for different search engines, this one API lets you crawl data from all the major search engines like Google, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Bing, etc. So let me just quickly show you how it works. So this is our dashboard. I can just pass anything like Python web scraping. Let's try this. And once I click on try it button, I will get a structured, beautiful JSON response. As you can see, the response contains structured search results from all the major search engines. So this is going to be a very powerful tool for anyone building LLM models, research tools, or analytical dashboards, where access to diverse search engine data is very, very critical. So whether you are, training models, comparing SERPs, or building intelligent models, this API will help you get the data efficiently, and this API will help you to stop using multiple endpoints to collect data from multiple sources. So you can of course check our docs to get familiar with this API and understand what other parameters this API support. And if you have any questions regarding this API or any other API from scrapingdog.com, then you can reach out to me at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.